My name is Digambar Pradhan and I am a web developer at Web Experts Nepal. Today I am going to be talking about WooCommerce. Bryce has already covered a lot of WooCommerce and I would like to continue on covering other topics of WooCommerce as well. So the topics that I will be talking about are what, why and how. So unlike Bryce and many other speakers that have spoken today, I'm not a plugin developer. I'm a how do I say, customization developer. I develop add-ons for WooCommerce for specific client needs. So let's start with the why. What is WooCommerce? Before I want to begin, can I get a show of hands who have experience with WooCommerce? So 50-50, right down here. So basically, WooCommerce is an e-commerce plugin for your WordPress site. So it converts your WordPress site, WordPress CMS into an e-commerce platform. And just like WordPress itself, it's a free and open source software. So, but WooCommerce isn't the only e-commerce solution out there. So WP e-commerce, GeoShop, Easy Digital Downloads are all other e-commerce solutions for WordPress. So why am I telling you to use WooCommerce? Why is it the best option out there? Firstly, it's the second most popular e-commerce platform on the internet. This is a poll by data analysts among the top 1 million Alexa ranked sites on the internet, showing that WooCommerce is only slightly behind Magento. With the recent acquisition of WooThings by Automatic, the powerhouse behind WooCommerce, the rise has been staggering again this year. And if you take into account the entire internet itself, 30% of all e-commerce sites on the internet is powered by WooCommerce. So, by that definition, you have a lot of clients. So, again, I like to talk about the community. There's a saying in the WordPress community saying that standing on the shoulder of giants. So, what does this mean? It means that there are many developers who are working day and night around the world, throughout the world. In fact, there are, last time I checked, 392 contributors for the WooCommerce project. This means that even if you're asleep here, someone on the other side of the world is working. So, literally 24/7 development. So that means whenever you have a problem, like you want to learn something new, and you're googling you Google it in Stack, Google it, and it most likely sends you to Stack Exchange, because there are a lot of developers like myself, like Bryce, who are continuing to develop WooCommerce, and this leads to the next features, which are security, customizable, and support. What does it mean? E-commerce platform is a big deal. It's not just a simple design here and design there. You're running with other people's money. So a simple transaction on your site, if gone wrongly, could turn into a lot of losses. So how do you change that? So by using WooCommerce, because you could do a customized e-commerce site as well, but how long would that take to develop? 3 months? 6 months? Then what about the upgrades? 9 months? Again, then how is it suitable for just one client or one niche or one other client? So that's the another part of being using WooCommerce as an e-commerce site that I want you all to consider. And it's customizable because just like WordPress, like we're all WordPress enthusiasts as well as WordPress developers. So we see that why is WordPress such a popular CMS right now? Why is it the leading CMS site in the world? Because it's highly customizable. And those same aspects are taken by WooCommerce and used for their general purpose, and that makes it very popular. That makes it very secure as well. The support, like WordPress doesn't have any paid support. It's a free community. Similarly, WooCommerce themes as paid support, but WooCommerce doesn't have the paid support. But yet, you always find answers on the net if you need one. So this is my personal story. So the time I started with WordPress was the same time I started with WooCommerce. So at that time, I didn't know custom post types from restaurant taxonomies. And it was very hard to get started. So what do you need to get started with WooCommerce? Well, turns out not very much. WooCommerce already has compatibility with the default WordPress theme. So going back to 2011 theme, 12, 13, 14, 15, it's all compatible with WooCommerce. WooCommerce makes itself compatible with those default WordPress themes. So what do you need? The latest version of WordPress, the latest version of WooCommerce, and the 2015 theme. And that's it. You have a platform to start selling anything you want on your site. So best I'll cover this in a lot, so I'll keep short and this. The freemium model. So the core part of WooCommerce is free. So and the other parts are added by extensions like extensions that are premium or free. It's not all extensions for WooCommerce do not require you to buy them. There are a lot of plugins in the WordPress repository as well that give you free add-ons for suppose something like shipping calculators, payment gateways. These things are so some developer around the world needed to make a change, and he made that change, and that is now being used again. So the line tagline is from the WooThemes store itself. WooCommerce gives you the control to sell anything, anywhere, beautifully. See how the wording it says, it gives you the control. Because you can't actually sell anything with WooCommerce because it's not actually prepackaged everything with WooCommerce. So what can you sell with the WooCommerce core? You can sell simple products, like suppose you are a t-shirt. You want to sell a t-shirt online, so you can sell them. So it already has options for shipping, it already has options for taxing, it already has options for product display. But what if you want to sell something more? So what if you want to sell something like a subscription? So that's easy. I'll just Google sell subscription with WooCommerce. So and as you can see, I have got a direct line to the WooThemes subscription store. So, but that's not the only subscription store out there. So WooThemes is quite big, expensive actually. So $199 per year charge. So that's a premium add-on. And there are actually other developers out there as well that sell Woo subscriptions, not the same plugin, subscription plugins. And so we can already see that just by adding a simple add-on, we can change WooCommerce to be flexible and sell products that we want. Another question though, product add-ons is also another WooCommerce plugin that I like very much. It allows you to add prices to your products. So suppose you're selling a laptop, and suppose in selling a laptop you want to add prices for small modifications like the RAM or the VGA card. So the product add plugin allows you to sell those things. But what if you don't find the plugin that's right for you? What if there's a requirement, yours or your client's, that says it's a little bit out of the ordinary? Custom needs, because let's face it, if everyone who has e-commerce could sell the products through the internet, why isn't everyone equally successful? Why are some websites more successful? Why are some websites less successful? Like you see the gray dots gray dots and the yellow dot. The one that catches your eye is the yellow dot. So I'd like to give you a small example here. Recently I was given a task to build a wholesaler plugin. So I did the same thing I always do. Wholesaler plugin for WooCommerce. So yeah, I got the wholesaler plugin. But the requirement for the wholesaler plugin was quite different. See, normally when you are selling wholesale, it's differential pricing. One price for one set of users and one price for another set of users. But what if the client says, I want to change the price for each and every user on my site? So a very customized effect. That's their business model. They want to make it so that the prices for each client on their website is different. So they are having not the theme part, but a business model part. So they are changing their business model to attract new clients. And that can be done through anything on the internet. Then they also wanted progressive pricing. So what does that mean? Progressive pricing is something we're all very familiar with. When you go to the market and go to buy a spinach sack, so it's sold in bundles. So 3 bundles of spinach, 1 is 10 rupees, 2 is 15 rupees, and 3 is 20 rupees. That's a very interesting model. So does it work? I don't know. I have to ask them. But can I do it? Yes, I can. Web WordPress developers and WooCommerce also runs the same path as WordPress. So at the first learning of WooCommerce, I had problems understanding the concept because I hadn't learned action hooks. I hadn't learned filters. I didn't know what a custom post type was. So basically, after I got more experience in the WordPress community, I understood how WooCommerce worked as well, through action hooks and filters. So if you want to change the price, you don't have to go and change the theme itself or the core files itself. There are action hooks for that. So you can filter the price and design it the way you want to show it. So again, for something like you want to do a custom hook. So you want to say, suppose you want to do something like give a custom display of your products to their product types. So at first, at the beginning, I didn't know what a product type was. Now I understand that product type is a taxonomy. So by doing a simple WP query, I can get my products according to the specific product taxonomies. So this gives me a bit more of freedom, and I believe right now I'm the actual right opposite of price. I went from the big market to the small market. So what I did was I calculated the price first. So I got my function to calculate the price right now. So and by calculating the price, then I needed to change the price when the buyer added it according to the different quantities. So if they say 28 pounds of coffee bean, the first thing I would do is calculate it by multiplications of 5. So up to 25 pounds, so that's 5 pounds, that would be 5. 5 is 25. So 5 into 10, then the remaining would be 3, because and then I calculate 2 into 1, and then again 1 into 1. So after my calculation was done, I used the WooCommerce hook. So when they are adding to the cart, I just change the cart total, but I change the product price, because the WooCommerce doesn't allow you to change the product quantity to product price and quantity total. It only allows you to change either the price or the quantity. So I change the price according to the calculated price I got, and by this way I was able to give a very customized approach to my client. So this was me when it was all done. So yeah, that's the end of my presentation. I'd like to thank the WordCamp committee for allowing me to speak here today. So any questions? Great, thank you.